Hey guys, alright, we are made it to the pool area of the Polynesian. So, this is the main pool, and if you look at the top there, there's little monkeys waiting to go down the slide. Now there's a slide goes behind those rocks and comes out the main pool. That's the main pool of the waterfall. And we come over here, that's the little splash park. Well, you know what, we better be. Come over here. So that's the splash park. With the sprayer, the Tiki sprayers, and the climbing and the slides, and that's for the little ones, and man, that's just great. Right behind that is the main lobby and Captain Cook and all that. So listen, just want to show you this area. A lot of seating out here, but what's great, and at the end of the pool we have a view of Cinderella's castle. You can't beat it. So this is the pool area. This is
Lost Park, and then the pool.
So you guys have a fantastic day. We're off to the next adventure.
Subscribe.
Make
Don't forget to subscribe and like, you know, in terms of what content you want to see and what we keep providing you.
Alright guys, off to the next one.